Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video on online money tactics. And on today's video I'm going to be showing you three websites or probably more that will pay you that will allow you to earn without doing much of the work. For example, type a word on this inbox or in this inbox, click search and get paid over and over again. This will take you probably less than 15 minutes to set up, and just a little amount of work and you're going to get paid. And these have a potential of paying you up to $1,000 or $500 or $200 or more in a month. But I'm sure you're going to make a lot of money from these websites that I'm going to be showing you, and this brand new money tactics I'm going to be showing you. So thanks to these websites I'm going to be showing you, because these websites are going to be doing the work for you. You don't have to put in much work, and these websites work worldwide, and it's absolutely free to join. So with that being said, welcome to online money tactics again. And on this channel I talk about how to make money online. I make tutorial videos on how to make money online. I talk about websites, apps. I talk about CPA marketing. I talk about affiliate marketing on this channel. And if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, or if you come before, it's very important to support me by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell, so that whenever I post awesome videos or better videos than this one you're about to watch, YouTube is going to notify you. And I also want you to support me by liking this video if at the end of this video or during this video you gain any value, and I'm sure you're going to gain value from this video. And also leave me a comment in case you have any questions, or you just want to say thank you Matthew, or you want to comment your favorite emojis or your favorite hobbies, or just want to say anything in the comment. Make it positive. I'll really appreciate that. And also share this video with your friends as well, because I want for us all to win. As you're winning, your friends are winning, I'm winning, and we all are happy. And that is why I go extra mile to go out there to make research and come on here to share things that has worked for me or is working for me at the moment. And I'm sure it's going to work for you if you follow me the exact same way I'm going to show you on this video. So like I said, the first website you want to go is this website called designil.com. You might want to click off from this video. Probably you've heard about this website or seen this website already, but I want to assure you that I'm going to be showing you a new hack on using this website. So it's very important to stick with me to the end of this video, because we are going to be using these websites in a different way. This website, as you can see already, you can design a variety of different things on this website. You can design clothing, logos, websites, and so on and so forth. But we probably we won't be designing anything on this website. We won't be using this website to design anything. We'll be using this website in a different way to make money online. But if you have any skills designing, or creative designing, or you can go ahead and use this website to your advantage as well. But we're going to be using this website to earn money, because I know most of us watching this video right now, we don't know how to design. Like me, I don't know much about designing, so I wouldn't bother about that right now. So I'll be showing you a different way where you're going to be earning with this website. So when you come on this website, you might take your time and go through what this website is all about. I won't do that on this video, so that I'll not take much of your time. So as you can see, this website works with big companies. They work with Forbes, they work with Inc., they work with All Business, and so on and so forth. They've been featured in all these business and all. So that is to show you that this website is legit and you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So first of all, when you come on this website and you want to go scroll all the way down, scroll down to the end, and when you scroll down on here, you want to look for business tools, and you want to click on business tools. And when you click on business tools, it's going to take you to another website that looks same website but another page that looks like this, and you want to scroll down, you're going to see banner, flyers, brochure, calendar, card, business tools. When you get to, so when you scroll down and you see business tools, you come on here to this arrow and you want to click it probably 5 times till you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you click that, you're going to see here slogan generator. Slogan generator, yeah, that's where you want to go. So you click on slogan generator and it's going to take you to another page. It's going to take you to another page on here, and here you're going to see where you're going to input a particular word in here and click search, and it's going to generate lots and lots of slogans for you that you can sell for money. And yeah, we're going to be selling this slogan to get money online. So as you can see here, we have different pages on here. We have from page 1 to page 18, and I know there are more. So there are lots of slogans to choose on this website. So this is how we're going to be using this website. We're going to be using this website to generate slogan for our customers, and whatever name you're going to be typing in this box here depends on the business that your customer is going to be giving you. Probably the customer's business is all about fashion, or probably a restaurant, or probably health, or whatever business your customer is all about. That determines what you're going to be typing here to generate slogans. Then take these slogans and give it to your customer, and they pay you in turn for doing that, because most people start a business, or they want to start a business, but they don't have all the time in their hands to generate a slogan for their business. So they are looking for people to do this for them, and you can do this for them with literally 1 minute, 5 minutes. You've done this and you've submitted it to them, and they've paid you already. And don't worry, I'm going to be showing some websites you're going to be getting these customers that are going to be paying you for these slogans you are generating free of charge, because most people don't know about this website. They don't know about this website, and now I'm showing you this website for you to make money with it. So guys, if you're getting any value from this video, I would really appreciate if you will leave a like on this video and leave a comment in the comment section below, and share this video as well with your friends, and I'm sure they're going to appreciate you for doing that for them. So let's get right into the video. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you where you're going to find customers who are going to be paying you for these slogans. And one of those sites you want to go is called peopleperhour.com. peopleperhour.com. That's where you want to be going. When you come on here, you see that people are actually making money from selling slogans. When you come on people per hour, you see people and you search for slogan. If you go on here, search for slogan, go on here, search for slogan, you're going to see people that are making money already selling slogan already. As you can see, this person charges $40 for producing slogan. It says create an awesome slogan and tagline for your company. As you can see, the guy is charging $40, and he has had 8,814 reviews. Wow, guys! If we are to do the calculation right there, let me pull up my calculator. Let's see how much this guy has made. So I'm just gonna pull up my calculator right here, and I'm just going to multiply 8,000, let's just say 8,800 multiply by 40. That will give us, wow, guys, as you can see, this guy has made lots of money just doing slogan for free, using a free website. And you can do the same. What are you waiting for? What is holding you back? Just come on people per hour, sign up for an account. It's very easy to sign up for an account. Create a gig around selling slogan, and start selling slogan. And one other thing about this gig on people per hour is that it's less saturated. You have just 70 people who are offering these services unlike places like Fiverr. If you come on Fiverr and search for Slogan as well, you see that you have over almost approximately 2,000 people who are offering these services or this service on Fiverr. You can see this one charge 30, $100, 35, and so on and so forth, but it's so much saturated. But you can as well come here and create gig. And in case you don't know how to create accounts on Fiverr, there's a video showing at the top right hand right now that will teach you how to create an account with Fiverr, and also to create a very good profile on Fiverr. And then again, I also have a video on this channel where I talk about how to create a gig on Fiverr, so you can go ahead and watch that video as well and create a gig on here on how to create a gig on here where you'll be providing service on selling slogan to people. So let's come back to people per hour. People per hour is I didn't mention earlier, is a website where freelancers come on here to work. People come on here as well to look for freelancers to do stuff for them. It might be programming, writing, design, digital marketing, video, photo, image, editing, music, marketing, social media, whatever it is. But we are focusing on slogan, selling slogan on this video. And like I said earlier, there are lots of people selling it on here. Click on the first link in the description below to sign up for an account on People's Per Hour and get €30 bonus to spend on People's Per Hour. So you can come on here, create an account, and start selling this service and tell people you can sell them slogan online. And you can also go online and search for sites that you can also generate slogan. I'm sure there are lots of sites out there that can help you generate these slogans apart from designhill.com. So this is one of the sites that you get customers that are going to be paying you for those slogans you'll be generating. You can as well do this with other freelancing websites. We have guru.com. You can do the same. As you can see here, people are making money with this on guru.com. You can also do the same with SEO Clerk. As you can see, people are making money with this gig as well. So just come here, create an account, and set up a gig selling slow. So guys, that is basically it. And I'm going to show you another website called Slogan Slingers. This is a place where you enter a contest for slogan. When you win the contest, they are going to pay you for winning the contest, and you're going to be paid handsomely. So all you just have to do is come on here and start submitting slogans for different type of businesses. And once you win, or once your slogan is chosen, you're going to get paid. So guys, get to work, start grinding. Just come. It's very easy. Definitely, you're not going to be spending much time. The only time you're going to be spending is the time you're going to be spending setting up these accounts on People Per Hour or Fiverr or any of these freelancing website. But I prefer People Per Hour because it's less saturated. Then come on here as well on Slogan Slingers, and you want to come on here and click on write slogans, and it's going to take you to a site where you're going to sign up. For me, I like doing my sign up with Google. It makes it very easy for me. Fill in all of this and start submitting your slogan, and once your slogan is accepted, you get paid already. So guys, that is it on this video, and thank you for watching with me to this point in this video. And I really need you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos, you're going to get notified. And also like this video if you gained any value from this video, and if you like what I do on this channel, like this video as well, and leave a comment below to probably say thank you Matthew, or you have any questions, just comment in the comment section below and I'll be there to answer you ASAP. And definitely please share this video with your friends, because I want your friends to win and I want you to win as well. So guys, till I see you in my next video, which will be soon. Keep winning and stay blessed. And for more awesome ways for you to make money online, there will be 2 videos that's popping up in your screen right now. Just go check any of them out, and I'm sure you're going to love it. See then, we'll see you again in the next video. Peace. Peace out, and don't forget that Maki loves you.